How do we take care of risks in adaptive life cycle? One thing we need to keep in mind, the way we work in adaptive life cycle by taking short feedback loop, continuously validating our understanding, continuously creating working evaluatable increment takes care of risk organically. Because we are working in a risky environment, that's why we are using adaptive life cycle. Adaptive life cycle is associated with uncertainties in requirement, uncertainty in technology, uncertainty in understanding the business and the market. So it takes care of organically the risk management ideas. At the same time, we need to take care of our backlog prioritization with the help of understanding of the risk. So, though the incremental iterative cycle takes care of risk by design, at the same time, as a product owner, when I am prioritizing the product backlog, I will consider the risk related factors as well, because things which are risky, I want to do first because I want to make sure their impact, their understanding we learn early so that we can respond to it as we go along. So product owner will take care of risks when they are prioritizing the backlog. This concept is also sometimes called risk adjusted product backlog. The risks which are coming in a given iteration, in a given sprint, need to be taken care by the Scrum team and the Scrum Master or the project manager if the Scrum Master and project manager roles are merged. So when we plan for our sprint, our understanding is we want to really achieve the sprint goal. Our target is 100% predictability of achieving the sprint goal. Now, when we are doing that planning, we may identify there could be some things which can go wrong. So in the sprint planning / iteration planning, the team, product owner, and the project manager, Scrum Master will identify the risk and they will take care of those risks on a daily basis. They may keep it visually on an information radiator. They will talk about these risks or maybe something new coming in the daily stand-up meetings as well, because we want to achieve our sprint goal. So sprint related risk or iteration related risk handled daily with the team, Scrum Master actively working with the support of the product owner. The risks which are going beyond a sprint boundary will get discussed in iteration review, retrospective meeting, or a backlog refinement process, because their impact will be on a product backlog. The risk which we see coming in future may end up creating a new product backlog item which we may want to work on. So the process related risk, technical related risk may get identified during retrospective, which will get added into the product backlog and product owner will prioritize them accordingly. The business related risk may get identified during iteration review or a backlog refinement, and the response to those risks will get planned in the product backlog. They will get added as an item into the product backlog. So these are two levels of risk management we need to keep in mind when we are focusing on adaptive life cycle.